Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts and welcome. So today I want to make with you guys some twisty tags. This is going to be super fun and easy, and it's a good way to use up all your scraps. And let's talk about some things that you can throw in there to make these. They're really fun. So I got just some strips from putting my signatures into my journals. These are great to keep. They're already dyed, they're already ready to go. So those come in handy. I got some hand-dyed, handmade paper that I made. Just some fun, just regular copy-dyed paper and with some coffee on it and some gesso splattered and just different things like that. You could do tea-dyed papers, which come in really nice and handy. We got stamps and my dauber and some black soot is what I'm going to use today. Some laces, ribbons, fabrics, little trinkets. You can take your stamps and do some stamping on fabric. Just some more little trinkets. We got some little safety pins with just beads and stuff on it. So those are great to use. Some more fabrics, scrapbook paper, book paper, all this fun stuff. And I have some paper fasteners, and I have different sizes. This one, I think these are a little bit longer, so you can see, or you can use the shorter one, so whatever you got. Some buttons, washi tape, I got a crocodile, and this just is optional. All this is, optional, or whatever you guys have will definitely work great. And if you don't have like a crocodile or even the fasteners, you can always just, poke a hole with, here, let me show you guys, just like a little pokey tool. I have a tool in here that I do my journals with when I make my signatures. And of course, oh, here it is. So it's just like, you could take a little pokey tool and just poke it through, and then you could probably take a pencil or something like that and make a bigger hole with it. So you could do stuff like that, and then take some pretty thread or some yarn or something like that, and you could tie the corner with it. But this today, I want to put on some nice music. This is supposed to be inspirational and relaxing, and we'll build these together. I'm going to put on music here that I cannot put on for you guys because I'll get in trouble. So actually, I'd like to know in the comments down below, what kind of music do you guys listen to when you craft? Like, what do you guys like to listen to? Me, it depends on the day and my mood. Like, I can do country, like the Judds. I like the Judds. Or I've been listening to like Men at Work when I'm walking on the treadmill and stuff like that. And Huey Lewis is a good one. I don't know if you guys ever heard of Bobby Lou, but he's pretty good. He's just got like a mellow kind of sound to him. But yeah, let me know down below. What kind of music do you guys listen to when you do crafting? Yeah, so I think this is fun, and let's just get going here.